Let me give you a brief demonstration of my dance horizontal template. With this template, there are lots of different options. You can easily use lots of different teams. It does not just have to be for dance. It could be for basketball, baseball, softball, volleyball, or whatever. You can change out these letters here, and you could say that, for example, the team's name. You could just say like Showtime would be something pretty cool. To insert your subjects, all you have to do is go to Insert Subject Here folder, shut off my sample athletes, and then import your own. I'm going to grab all the extracted athletes and drag and drop them into the template, and they'll appear one at a time. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download that'll teach you how to do all these steps. It can be as easy as that to place your subjects. I'm going to center them just a little bit more. There are a few different options for enhancing this. Included with the instant download is a reflection action that can easily add reflections to any of these subjects. So for example, I'd go to my actions palette, and in the download it'll show you how to load these actions. I'm going to go to my reflection action and hit play on that. I simply move it to where it fits. Something like that, and I do the same for the rest of those girls. Something just like that. And then of course, if you didn't want to spend the time making those reflections, you could easily add the center stage, and we can adjust this to fit the colors of the team. Same for the background, just like that. Of course, all this text is easily editable. This text in the background is actually not a font, it's actually graphics, so you just pick the letters that you want in the background. Let's do Showtime. And then let's edit this text out at the bottom. Something just like that. It can be as easy as that to modify your team. Again, I can leave that off and show the reflections, or turn that on and hide their feet, make it even faster and easier. Well, I hope you love it.